don't rely on our water districts out there to clean your water. Okay. Taking a proactive approach is needed if you want healthy, clean drinking water in your home. So you need to be proactive, not reactive once you get sick, but proactive to make sure that you're filtering and cleaning your water before you consume it at your home. So at Anthem, we want to be part of keeping your home healthy and clean, your home's water healthy and clean, as long in addition to your air, but your home's water healthy and clean. So we've come up with some back to school specials for you, water specials that you can take advantage of right now. A lot of our water's contaminants are already in our homes. So we want to make sure that we take care of our existing appliances, your water heater, where all that water is going in, heating up, and then being distributed out. That's a area of potential problems. We want to make sure that we take care of that your house has a healthy, clean water heater, so that when that water heater that's sitting in that tank is then distributed throughout your house, it's healthy and clean also. You're cooking, you're bathing, everything else is healthy and clean. A water heater flush and annual maintenance, definitely want to get that done. So an annual maintenance on your home, which includes the water heater flush. The manufacturer recommends it anyways, but if you want healthy, clean water, that is your D or D minus of healthy, clean water. Get an annual maintenance and make sure that you're taking care of your family's healthy water by at least getting that water heater flush, and then a whole home maintenance where we go around, check everything out in your house, make sure it's done.